Okay, so back to our current assignment. Um, First and foremost, I need to open up Index, which is the previous assignment that we worked on. And then I'm going to create some web pages. But before I do that, I want to actually create a different looking menu bar here. Nothing fancy yet. We're actually going to be getting into CSS structure in a couple of days actually. I'll release that assignment and video. But I do want a different format here. So what I'll do is I'll actually just use the pipe on which is right below the delete on your keyboard by the backslash. Hold down shift and then the pipe and it'll give you these little lines. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring these up here. So I'm not gonna break the links yet, but eventually I need to relink those to the pages we're going to be using. So let me see if I can get this to work. So I do want to first and foremost take off the unordered list that's here, and you can see I have bullet down at the bottom in properties, so I need to take that off first. And it'll make it a lot easier for me to insert little piping in there. So I'll just do a pipe. After this one I'll do another pipe and just insert a couple pipes in here so that I'll have those all ready to go. And this way I'm saving time to not have to redo this on every page when I create those. I'll just move that up. So a little bit of formatting here to this, kind of streamline everything and give you a little bit more room. Okay, great. So there are my pipes. I'm just deleting a little bit of the link that kind of went over into that piping. Okay, so now I'm set. I'm going to go ahead and file save because I made that change, and then next I'm going to do file save as, and again I want to create a page for each of my little topics here. So again, using the same kind of technique that I used to create the anchors, I'll go ahead and save this as, just rename the index page, and I'll say life for wonderful life. Another one until I have all of them done. Save as. Life is now going to come turn into toy for Toy Story, and so on and so forth until you have all of your pages created. You can see that I'm adding more pages here, and this will be Jean, file save as. This will be father, save, file save as, and then this will be Shaw. And yet, you guessed it, in the next video I'm going to show you how to dedicate those pages with only the content that's pertinent to that page.